Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos. Hey guys, you have already seen in the title what today's video is about. So without wasting time, let's get started. At the very beginning, we need to create the page. So here I'm clicking this template, or simply you can input the values and then click on create button. Okay, now here I'm going to set the background color first. So go to adjustment layer and then set the background color by choosing solid color. Now similarly I'm going to add a gradient color. So set the gradient color whatever you want and then apply it. After apply, we need to hit on OK button. Now set the opacity of gradient layer. Okay, after that I will group both of them layer and name it as background. And alternatively, you can use Ctrl+G button to group the layers. And in this new layer, I will design pattern shape for background. Before that, here we need to insert the guideline. It will help to identify the center of the page. Okay, now insert a triangle shape and draw it over here like this. And then set its color and remove its stroke. Now place the shape into the middle like this. Now create a duplicate of this shape, or simply press Ctrl+D to duplicate. To select the shape, press Ctrl+D and now flip it vertically and then place it over here like this. Now select both of the shapes from layer section and then duplicate it. After that, select the object by Ctrl+T and then rotate it again. So keep up doing same process till page gets covered through the shapes. So our pattern is ready. Slightly move it to the upward like this, and now adjust its opacity values. Okay, now select both of the groups and make it as a one group. Name the group as a background and rename old background group to background colors. So our background is completely ready now. Now we can start the rest of the wall. So in this design, I'm gonna use these downloaded images. Okay, now insert a text box and draw it over here like this. Now type the text special offer. Now adjust this font properties. Now apply shadow on this font. Okay, now let's insert a logo image. Open the window where you have stored the image. Now simply drag it into the Photoshop page. Now select the icon and resize it like this and place it over here. Now let's add guidelines from all of the sides. It will help to place the objects. Okay, now insert another layer and then select the text box and draw it over here like this. Now write the text Supercell. Now select the font and set its properties. Then we will apply the effects and slightly arc the text from wrap text option. Now open the effect option and click on blending options, and from here I will add some effects on this text, so follow the video. Okay, now select all the text layers and make them group and name it as a text. Carefully follow all the steps which is shown in this video to learn how I creating this design.